Hi friends! I hope you're doing good. Oh my gosh, I have some really exciting news. Okay, so I'm recording this video early, but by the time you see this video on Monday, I'm gonna have a brand new little German Shepherd puppy. I'm getting it this weekend, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to have it at home. Hopefully my dog Bentley gets along with the puppy. I will keep you updated and I will send pictures and I'll let you know how she's doing. So I'm picking her up on Saturday morning and I am so excited. So I will let you know how that goes. I will keep you updated. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is your planner for May 4th through May 8th. May 4th, know that you don't have school on Monday, so you only have 4 days of school technically this week. If you did not turn in your research paper last week, you can still turn in your research paper this week. Also, if you're interested in making revisions, you can do revisions and get more points back for it. Remember that due dates are recommended due dates. If you miss a due date, that's okay. Just turn in your work late. There's no penalty for late work. So yeah, a lot of research papers have looked really good. So if you haven't turned in your paper, that's okay, turn it in. If you want to improve it for more points, you definitely can. And if you have questions on it, you can always email me or ask me to do a Google Meet. I've done individual Google Meets with people, and those have gone really great. So let me know what you need. For Tuesday, I want you to look at the feedback that you got on your paper. I'm going to grade them as soon as I can when they come in. So look at your feedback and decide if you want to do a revision on your research paper. For Wednesday, I want you to start thinking about your research project, and your project goes with what you wrote about in your paper pretty much. So when you look at your research project packet, if you click there, it'll bring you to this packet. And this is page 10 of your research packet. And it basically talks about what the creative project is. So here are a bunch of different projects that you could do. There are so many different things that you can do. This project is worth 20 points, and it's basically a creative way to show what you learned from your research project. So you know, some people decide to write a newspaper article, so they're writing their own newspaper article. You're not finding one, you're writing one based off of the research that you found through all your research and through writing your paper. Some people act out a play or a skit. Some people do song lyrics. I've had people write some pretty funny and hilarious raps about their research topic. Form a letter. You could do an interview if you want. You can do a video, a collage of pictures or quotes. You could do a really cool collage online. You could do it on paper. If you do your project on paper, you just take pictures of it and send it to me. Comic strip, book cover is kind of cool. A brochure, a biography. Photos with captions is basically photos, and then you write about the photos underneath them. Poem, descriptive paragraph, magazine article, like a wanted poster is kind of cool. A resume or cover letter, a journal or diary entry, doctor's report, recipe. Trivia games are really fun sometimes. I've had people make really cool maps. A eulogy, build a model or a structure. One time I had someone who did their project on Al Capone, who was a famous gangster in New York back in the day, and he made a jail cell for Al Capone out of popsicle sticks, which was kind of fun. There's timelines. I've seen some really interesting timelines before of people's topics that someone has made. Social media page, you can kind of make that up. Video or a trailer, restaurant menu, police report, narrative story, children's book. Basically, you're going to take your topic and you're going to try and make something creative that has to do with what you learned about your topic. So if you have questions about this, please let me know. I want this to be fun, so please pick something that you think you're going to enjoy doing. And you know, also has to do with your research and kind of shows what you've learned about your topic. Thursday and Friday, I just want you to keep working on that project. You'll have also more time next week. By the end of this week, all you have to do is complete the English check-in, due 5/8. It's on Schoology right under where you found the link to this planner. So it's basically just a check-in to see how you're doing. So yeah, you're working on your creative project. Just really briefly fill out this English check-in. Finish up with your paper if you haven't. You know, think if you want to do revisions on that. And that's all I got for you this week. Wish me luck on getting the puppy, and I'll talk to you soon.